Hello everyone, I am Junwen, an employee of GFD, and I am here today to share with you the cleaning and maintenance of the stove. There will be oil and residue on the surface during daily use. After use, we need to clean and maintain the stove. When preparing to clean, you need to wait until the burner is completely cooled to avoid burns. We have prepared a bottle of detergent and 2 cleaning towels for today's stove. Now I will show you how to clean it. The first step is to take out the furnace frame. The second step is to take out the slag receiving box, then use detergent to spray it, wipe it with a rag, and then rinse it with clean water. After washing with clean water, use a clean rag to wipe off the water droplets on the surface, and then reinstall the slag receiving box. This is the whole process of cleaning and maintaining our stove. Thank you for watching.